Well, it got up to 110 inside the bus. That was really, really bad. And Cypress was not doing well. He basically spent like 12 hours hiding on the floor, barely moving. Kristin spent the entire day like sitting next to him, pointing a fan at him. We had ice packs. We did everything we could. Everything's fine, but we got to do something about this heat. We can't just travel to a cooler area because we have some responsibilities right now. So we are just stuck in these hot areas right now. We also just found out on our last drive that our vehicle air conditioner also isn't working. So we have an appointment to have that one fixed in a couple days. That'll probably cost us several $100s. So we decided yesterday that we are just going to go to Home Depot and get one of the personal portable air conditioners that has the vent that goes out the window and see if we can do that because we're on shore power here. We're staying with family right now. So we rigged it up today and it did work pretty good. It's like 100 degrees outside and we were able to get it down to about 82 inside. And when you're sitting directly in front of the vent, it's actually pretty cool. So it is definitely a smart thing, but only works when we're on shore power. And then we also found that the exhaust vent is so hot that it's melting our window screen covers. And the hose itself isn't insulated and it is just dumping heat in here from that as well. So we're going to need to figure out a better permanent solution to this. So next stop is to hit Home Depot again and see if we can figure out a way to vent this directly to the outside. So it's this entire tube heats up a lot as it's putting the heat outside. And then our little contraption here, it got way too hot and it ended up melting out our entire frame here. So that worked for one day. So our plan is to move the litter box out. Then we'll have to move this shelf up and then this will push up against the wall. And then this is the exhaust vent that goes to that pipe. That's going to go to a hole right through the wall. That'll go straight to the outside. So that's what we're looking for at the hardware store. So I found the same hose here, but it looks like there's no through the wall adapters. So I guess we'll check regular AC. So there's not a specific part that they have. So now I'm checking just regular house ventilation ones for like household heaters. Maybe we'll find something. Okay, so I think we have it figured out. This piece that has the little weather flap in there, this is gonna go through the exterior wall and then through the interior insulation, and then we're gonna pedal this, and then the flexible hose that we have is gonna connect here, and then we'll have to tape up that gap with the high temperature tape, and then this will just connect into the AC unit on the inside. So I think we got it figured out. So let's get this. Okay, so I drilled the first hole through the wall. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. So the way the outside here is going to work is that this will go right through here, and then that will be our external exhaust, which should work. So working on a project in a bus is very difficult because we are so tight on space. So this is what it looks like from the inside when we're mid-big project. This is partly why projects take so long. Okay, well that got the outside mounted pretty good. I'll clean up the caulking around here and then we'll work on the inside. Okay. Oh, perfect. So here's the final installation. It looks like it works pretty good. The backside has a insulated exhaust for the hot air to go straight to the outside. The inside blows out through these vents, and the intakes are on the sides, which are clear. So I think it ended up with a really clean installation, and I think it's really gonna work well for us. So let's make sure it works. Thanks for watching. Bye.